Hey everyone, I'm Anna from Oliver POS, and today we're going to be unboxing the Oliver Go. So let's get right into it. So this is the Oliver Go. We've also got the thermal printer paper. Also have the USB-C charger. And that's everything that's in here. So the Oliver Go is an all-in-one POS device. It's designed for shops that are on the go, whether you're a stand at a farmer's market or if you have a pop-up shop or a roadshow. It's perfect for being on the go. Even if you're in a bigger store, you can always bring your checkout anywhere around the store, check out customers anywhere, track your inventory anywhere. This gives you the freedom to move around your shop. Let's have a closer look at the Oliver Go. So we're gonna turn this on. I'm gonna press this button up here. So this is what it looks like when it first starts. So I'm gonna go into the little Oliver POS here, which should be pre-installed on your device. And now it's loading. So if you'd like to order the Oliver Go for yourself, just go on our website, oliverpos.com, and pre-order yours today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.